Sound and music are closely related. Sound is more about atmosphere, and music, at least for me, is about memory. Every time I hear a song, even if I've never heard it before, it reminds me of another song, which then takes me to another place in my past. And I think this is the thing we all love about music, is it brings us all together by creating a sense of the common experience we all have with music.
Personally, I've updated my view on music since I started working with this project. I've now come to see and appreciate how much music and sound does for the atmosphere in my family.
Music makes my house feel like a home. It brings everyone together and it makes life more joyful.
The amazing thing about working with sound is in many ways you can think of it as light. When you come into a space that's dark or static and you enter your home, you flip a switch. And when you flip that switch, the light comes on and all of a sudden that space becomes a place you want to be in.
We have been working with light and it was a very natural move to step into sound. We went knocking on Sonos' door and it turned out that we were a perfect match. They bring the sound expertise, we bring the home furnishing knowledge.
And when you do this with an attitude of respect and humbleness, then really cool things happen.
It felt honestly inevitable. To some extent, it was love at first sight because we both believe in the power of design to elevate the quality of everyday life.
We for sure wanted this speaker to be a full-fledged member of the Sonos family without any compromises on sound quality and the user experience. But we wanted the price level to be where we can reach the many people.
You need to take up space to make sound. And it's only by working with IKEA, who can tuck that sound into the furniture in hidden ways, that we could really get people to stop thinking about the speaker and start thinking about the sound.
I'm really happy about the end result. I'm proud. I think that we've delivered to the expectations that we had in the beginning.
We can inspire people to actually think about sound as part of the design of their home when they're in that mindset of rugs and art and lighting. What about sound?